Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube tutorial again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to actually claim 600 million worth of SkypeCoin. Yes, it's a community-driven NFT marketplace token. As you can see, at the time of making this video, we have about 45 days and 6 hours to actually claim this airdrop or partake in their pre-sale. Now, there's one thing that make this, like I said, this particular token is a special one, and I think I'm going to partake in their pre-sale immediately after this video. The reason being that their exchange, the Skype is going to be on their exchange is going to be on CoinMarket, PancakeSwap, and CoinTiger immediately after this 45 days and was 6 hours. Now, that's not all. The one that interests me the most is the fact that they actually have white paper. You heard me right, white paper. And for those of us that have been into crypto for long, we know what white paper is. And for those of us that have still, that are still newbie, white paper is a government issued document of policy to back up a project. All right, to back up a project. And white paper is a way of telling investors that what this particular project is actually legit and what supported. All right, now you can go through the white paper if you want. You can also download it. You click it, you download it and read it. After then, you go through the site, make your own research. Now, let me inform us that I'm not a financial advisor, far from it, but I have made my own research and I have made my own decision. Now, you are to make your own research, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. You have to make your own research, deep research, then you decide if you want to claim just the airdrop or you want to partake in their pre-sale. You have 45 days and 6 hours to actually decide. Now, for those of you that will be going for the referral, you have the when you refer someone and they buy through your link, you get 40% BNB and 60% Skype coin back to your Trust wallet. And here, as you can see, you can, if you want to partake in their pre-sale, this is where you input the amount that you want to buy, and this is where the amount of Skype that will be given to you will show, and this is the button you click to buy. And also for those of you that will be going for the referral, after you've claimed the airdrop or buy some of the coin, you copy your BEP20 address, paste it here, and then click the get link, and your link uniquely will appear, and you copy it and share it with your loved ones, share it with people on social media, TikTok, Facebook, and all the rest. And whenever someone claim the airdrop or buy through your link, you get 60% Skype coin and 40% BNB back to your Trust wallet. Without any further delay, I will just copy the link address. I will leave the link address in the description of this video, but in case you're unable to get it, you do well by joining our Telegram group so you can get access to it. And also, please remember to subscribe to this our channel so that YouTube can notify you whenever we post awesome content like this. And also, please don't forget to like and share this video. We just allow the network to load. We change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain, as we all know, to avoid paying huge gas fee. Yes, you have to change from Ethereum to Smart Chain to avoid paying huge gas fee. So we'll just wait for the site to load. Seems network is a little bit bad. Okay, we are back to the site. This is it. It took some time to load, but we're finally here. Yes, as you can see, still the same. Like I said, take your time and go through it. But for me, I'm definitely partaking in the pre-sale immediately after this video, because I've made my research. This is this is a very good coin to actually invest in. That is why I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay. Now, without any further delay, we'll just go into claiming the airdrop. We click claim. We allow it to connect with our wallet. Yes, as you can see, this is smart contract screen. It's asking us to approve to connect to our wallet. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that we'll be paying, 0.002 BNB, which is equivalent to 78 cents, and the network fee is going to be 59 cents. As you can see from the screen, the network fee is going to be 59 cents. It's going to be 59 cents. So without any further delay, we'll just click the approve button here. We'll click the approve button down here like this. We'll click the approve button, asking me for my password. Yes, as you can see, we have successfully claimed 600 million Skype coin. It has been sent to our wallet. Now the next thing we'll just do now is click the exit button and take us back to the site. Now, for us to see our token, we have to copy this contract address, which I will leave in the description of this video and also in the Telegram channel. We'll copy it. Once we copy it, we'll close the site and go back to our wallet. Then we'll click this two dotted button here like this. We'll click it. They take us there. We'll scroll down till we see add custom token. We'll click it. We change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain again. We'll click paste and everything will appear. As you can see, the name, the symbol, and the decimal appears automatically. The name is Skype token, while the symbol is Skype. The decimal is 18. All we have to do now is click the done button, and once we click it, boom, we should have our token in our wallet. As you can see, we have successfully claimed 600 million of this Skype token, of which we can swap on after 45 days, which we can swap it on PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, or CoinTiger to any currency of our choice. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you. See you next time.